align the collar right here, then press this sequence for the heat setting. Now hit start, and the arm does the rest. See? Perfect alignment.
Look at the surge in the main textile line.
Adjusting the flow regulator. There, stabilization achieved.
This new Flyknit material passed the stress test.
And the seamless construction is holding up beautifully, exactly what we needed for the new line. We need to make sure the seam matches the digital rendering exactly for the ergonomic fit.
The ultrasonic welding ensures...
Finally done with lunch. See you later.
Did you catch the game last night?
No, I missed it. Don't spoil it.
This route here is showing a potential delay.
Can we utilize air freight instead to meet the deadline?
We need to verify the tariff codes for the EU shipment right here.
I already checked. They match the new regulations.
Oh, the beach cleanup is next Saturday. I should sign up.
There you go, all finished. Keep it dry and change the dressing tomorrow.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Congratulations, everyone! We hit 1 million shirts!
As you can see, the robotic arms handle the folding and stacking.
Are these the shirts ready for shipping right now?
Hey, you're early today.
Just trying to beat the rush.
Good morning.
Watch your speed on the curve. The sensor picks up every deviation.
Okay, I'll slow down here.
It is so quiet in here.
I know, I really needed this break.
By optimizing the routes from Indonesia, we can reduce transit costs by nearly 10% this quarter.
I think the graphic alignment on the red one works well here.
Yes, but perhaps we should adjust the spacing for the blue design.
These samples need to be at the trade show by opening.
Got it. Routing them priority overnight.
This is your daily update from the Nike Communications team. Remember safety first, and congratulations on the successful launch.
Have a great day, buddy. I'll see you later.
Good morning, Michael. We were just about to start painting.
Sounds fun.
So this technical sketch incorporates the recycled poly smoothly here.
Excellent work. The ventilation looks much better on the prototype.
And we can scale production on this immediately.
Yeah, look at the elongation factor here. It's much improved.
That explains the enhanced durability we saw in the last batch.
It's a closed loop system. The water you see here comes directly from the factory.
That's amazing. Does it handle all the runoff?
How is the new seam holding up, June?
It's durable, but I think the fabric needs more ventilation.
Architectural skylights and clever design that fill the Nike shirt factory with natural light, reducing energy costs and improving the work environment.
We look fantastic.
Yeah, what a great team shot. Ready on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Everything is running smoothly on this line. We finished the red order. You should be good to go.
I think the dolly shot on the last take was perfect. We captured the emotion exactly right.
Agreed, the focus pull was smooth. The integration looks seamless. Excellent work, everyone. Let's optimize the next phase for even greater efficiency.